How to turn on or turn off camera vibration feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app and click on this four dot icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down and you will see vibration feedback is here. If you want to turn off vibration feedback, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see vibration feedback is turned off. If you want to turn on vibration feedback, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see vibration feedback is turned on. You will turn on or turn off vibration feedback from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera vibration feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.